Assalamu alaikum friends. Glimpses of 3-day review workshop organized by Department of Art and Vocational Education, State Council of Education Research and Trainings, SCERTby Ishfaq Divisional Office, Srinagar, Kashmir, which concluded today on 25th of February 2023. The workshop was aimed to review two handbooks containing guidelines and activities for 10 Bangladesh days for class 1st to 5th and for class 6th to 8th. It is important to mention that the work we have undertaken and the activities we have included in these texts, in these handbooks, is going to be of great use to the students in the days to come. We have explored new ways of learning and teaching, promoting active engagement with the environment and building sustainable habits. We have learned how to design and implement hands-on activities that foster critical thinking, creativity and problem-solving skills in our students. The successful effort made by our team earlier in making these handbooks and the 3-day review workshop by review team which concluded today is commendable. The handbooks for students in grades 1st to 5th includes many activities including life skills, puzzles, quiz and vocational information. ECT designing, painting skills, building and construction, hand sewing, effective communication activities were kept in the handbook for the students from 6th to 8th grade. We have also recognized the importance of skill-based activities that are included in these handbooks. We have seen how small actions can make a big impact and how we can inspire our students to become agents of change in their communities. As we move forward, it is crucial to remember the principles and values that underpin these handbooks and their activities. We must continue to prioritize the environment and sustainable development in our teaching and learning practices and strive to create a better future for ourselves and the generations to come. I fortunately thanks to everyone who participated in this review workshop, and I am hopeful to work together in future for the betterment of our students. Regards. Thank you. Friends, like and share, please. Thank you very much. Thanks.